Hello friends, so today's letter is A. Can you say it with me? A, A, A. A is for apple. Yummy, yummy apple. Let's draw an apple together. It's super easy. Grab your pencil. First we'll draw a big round circle. Nice and round, just like a balloon. Now we will draw two curves, a big curve and a small curve. On the top of the circle, make a big curve for the apple's top. Then at the bottom, make a little curve for the apple's bottom. Now we will erase the extra circle lines. And wow, it already looks like an apple. Now, after making a little curve, let's add a tiny stick on the top. That's the apple stem. And with the help of the marker, we'll first darken the outline of the apple. Wow, our apple looks amazing. But wait, apples are not just lines, right? Let's take out your red color. Apples are usually bright red, just like a fire truck. Color it in carefully. Stay inside the line, slow and steady. Wow, our apple is looking so yummy and red. You can also add highlight to make it shiny and fresh. You can do it with the white color or you can just leave a little space uncolored. Complete. Remember, A is for apples. Apples are healthy and tasty. Can you think of other words that starts with A, like ant and aeroplane? See you soon next time for another letter and another drawing. Bye bye.